Welcome back to the vlog, people. Today, I kind of already started working on my 05 Silverado. Had it out the other day picking up pellets from my pellet stove, and pretty sure the thermostat stuck shut. And overheated it. Not real bad, but a little bit. As you can see, we've already started off. So I got the old one off, and I got the new one right there. So I'm gonna keep working on it. Okay, I cleaned up the surface where the thermostat goes, as you can see. Now to do that, I just took some 320 grit sandpaper and just run it over it quick. You can see a little bit of the sanding marks in it, but nothing real serious. I wouldn't want to go real coarse with it because you don't want to damage it. But now that we got the surface clean, we'll take the new thermostat and mount it on there, and hopefully it doesn't leak. Okay, we got the new thermostat mounted up. One thing I forgot to mention, to get this thermostat out, you gotta take the belt off and the air intake tube from the air cleaner. But other than that, not too bad. Just 2 bolts, fairly easy to get to even. And now we're going to change the lower radiator hose, which I don't know how well you can see it, but the bottom one's right there. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, we got the hose off, and it was a pain in my you-know-what. Still had the factory clamps on it, and actually, I have to show you, but you might be able to see it. The clamp was busted in half. So it might not even need a thermostat, but it's got one now. So I'm going to put the new hose on. I changed it from the squeeze together clamps like you see there to actual hose clamps. So we'll get all this stuff, we'll get that put on and tightened down, and then we'll be starting to add antifreeze to it. Okay, we got the new hose on. Hose clamps are all tightened up. See if I can get in there so you can see that one. Yeah, there you go. Now it's back to putting the intake tube back in and hooking everything back up there and putting antifreeze in it. Hopefully nothing leaks. Okay, we got the intake tube mounted back in place. Everything's mounted up. Now it's just time to fill it up with antifreeze. Okay, we put about 1.75 gallons antifreeze in it. This is the concentrate, so you got to mix it down with water. Otherwise, it'll be just as bad, almost as bad as just putting straight water in it. So now it's time to fire it up. Hopefully the new thermostat doesn't leak and everything opens up. Okay, now we're back in the truck. We got it running. My GoPro died, so we're now using my phone to take video footage. Now we're just waiting for it to get up to temperature and make sure that the thermostat opens up, because as of right now, from what I could see, I don't have any leaks yet. Keyword is yet. We can get a shot down there. Ain't nothing falling in the bucket. I don't see nothing dripping there. Okay, we're still just sitting here waiting for the thermostat to open. Sorry I didn't get more of this stuff recorded. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me standing this close to the motor, but I'd like to have recorded more, but I only got 2 hands, and it's kind of hard to record and do the wrenching by yourself. So it was pretty simple. Like I said, I kind of explained how you go about getting it off, and it's not real hard on one of these. So we're just waiting for the thermostat to open, and hopefully that appears shortly. So looks like it's getting ready to. Okay, as you can see, we got everything down to where it's supposed to be. I'm just going to take it for a short drive and make sure no surprises pop up. So Now, what I'm doing, I don't recommend. It's probably dangerous, but I live kind of out in the middle of nowhere. And there ain't a whole lot of people out on this road. So, we're just going to take it for a drive and see how everything works out. If the video was helpful at all, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. And we got some stuff in store for next weekend as well. So please tune into the channel and have a great day.